Hi there. My name is Dan Page, and I'm the president of Boulder Equity Partners. We are nationwide commercial real estate investors. I'm here today to talk to you about bridge loans and to help you understand how you can leverage them to be able to achieve your investment goals. Before we get too far into this, let's talk just a couple of minutes about who I am so you know you're dealing with somebody who's been down this path before you. I've been in the commercial real estate industry for over 30 years. I financed well over $1 billion of transactions, and I'm the go-to guy for thousands of commercial real estate brokers. I review multiple loan submissions on a daily basis, sometimes up to 15 to 20 loan submissions. So I look at this stuff all day long. So let's start very quickly with the basics. What is a bridge loan? It's typically a 1 to 2 year, maybe 3-year loan. So very short term. It's interest only. You can use the bridge loan to pull cash out of a property or also to stabilize that property. When you're done, you can migrate them into a long-term loan or sell the property. So again, temporary loans like a bridge loan are really a great option to be able to stabilize a property. What that means is you might need to increase occupancy of the property if you don't have it completely occupied with tenants or the income isn't sufficient to qualify for a long-term loan. It can also be used to purchase a property and rehab that property and getting it ready to qualify for a long-term loan. Other advantages is quite often you can use this interest-only option to qualify for lower monthly payments. Your monthly payments can actually go down with a bridge loan because you're not paying both principal and interest. They're quite often less document intensive and they're easier to qualify for, easier to close, and faster to close than a typical long-term loan. You can use them for unstabilized properties, which means you don't have enough income coming in for the property. There might not be enough tenants, or there might be other borrower issues like that might be low credit, foreclosures, or bankruptcy in the past, and you can use that bridge loan to acquire that property and be able to solve all these issues. So let's talk about a very typical scenario. We had an investor that wanted to purchase a property. He was getting a great price on the property. The problem was the bank wouldn't qualify him for the loan because the property was not currently income producing and it was vacant. So what we did is we used this bridge loan to be able to finance the purpose and get the property stabilized, get rehab done, and be able to get that property up to the point where it could be sold or refinanced into a low interest loan. Another scenario is we had a borrower who had a construction loan that was maturing in a couple of months and he wasn't quite done with that construction. And again, bank couldn't qualify the loan, couldn't fund the loan because the property was not yet finished with its construction and it was not yet fully stabilized with renters in the property. So what we did is we leveraged the bridge loan to be able to cure that pending maturity default. And the maturity default is when the loan is expiring and you don't want to get to that position. It can be really challenging with a maturity default to be able to qualify for a long-term loan. We help the borrower to finish the rehab and get that property leased up. And once the property was stabilized, help them refinance it into a long-term loan. So one thing that's really important is to plan ahead. If you're requesting a bridge loan, you need to have a viable exit plan. What does that mean? You need to convince me or your lender about how you're going to pay off that bridge loan and then refinance it or sell that property. So think about this. Do the numbers work to migrate this into a long-term loan once the property is rehabbed and leased? It's important to think about these things before you go applying for a bridge loan. So we're here to help. We're here when you're ready. Again, we're a nationwide commercial lender. We offer both long-term and bridge loans, and our fundings range from $500,000 for bridge loan all the way up to $100 million. We have quite a wide range. So call me or email me, and I look forward to talking with you and helping you.